Radish is a versatile root vegetable that can be beneficial for weight loss due to its low-calorie content and rich nutrient profile. It is packed with fiber, water, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can support weight loss efforts when incorporated into a healthy and balanced diet plan. One of the main reasons why radish can be helpful for weight loss is its low-calorie content. With only around 45 calories per cup, approximately 116 grams, radish can be a great option for reducing overall calorie intake. By substituting higher calorie foods with radish or incorporating it into meals, it can help create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Consuming fewer calories than what is burned through physical activity and basic bodily functions is a key principle for losing weight. Radish is also a good source of dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that is not digested by the body and does not provide any calories. Soluble fiber found in radish can help control appetite and increase satiety, which can help reduce overeating and snacking and ultimately lead to lower calorie intake. Additionally, soluble fiber can form a gel-like substance in the stomach that slows down the absorption of sugar and fats, which may help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of overeating. Furthermore, radish is low in carbohydrates, making it a suitable option for those following a low-carb diet for weight loss. Low-carb diets have been shown to help control blood sugar levels, reduce insulin levels, and promote fat burning, which can aid in weight loss. Radish can be a great alternative to high-carb vegetables or starchy foods in meals for those who are watching their carbohydrate intake. Another benefit of radish for weight loss is its high water content. Radish is composed of about 90% water, which can contribute to increased hydration and a feeling of fullness. Foods with high water content tend to be low in calories, as water does not provide any calories and can help reduce calorie consumption. Staying hydrated is important for overall health and can also support weight management efforts. In terms of nutrients, radish is a good source of vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall health. It is particularly rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can support immune function and promote healthy skin, while vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. Folate is essential for cell growth and repair, and potassium is important for nerve function and muscle contraction. While these nutrients may not have a direct impact on weight loss, they are important for overall well-being and can be beneficial as part of a balanced diet. It's important to note that radish alone will not guarantee weight loss. It's crucial to have a well-rounded approach to weight management that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and other healthy lifestyle habits. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet or weight loss plan is recommended to ensure it aligns with your individual needs and health goals. Additionally, it's important to consider your overall calorie intake, portion sizes, and other dietary factors in conjunction with incorporating radish into your diet for weight loss purposes.